Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through the cutting PCB wear process on MQB dashboard 3526. You can watch our previous videos to learn how to lift pin on NEC3526, which is identical with NEC3525. As usual, we take out the PCB board. Find the connecting diagram of 3526 and finish the operations following the diagram. Let's take a look at the PCB board and locate the position where we'll need to cut the wear. Now we'll cut the wear following the instructions till VVDI hole makes no conduction with the adjacent capacitor. Be careful not to bump into any capacitors nearby when cutting. After the cutting, we'll solder the MCU cable onto the PCB board following the diagram. Then you're ready to go and read the MQB dashboard data. After reading, restore the PCB board. So make sure you get subscribed here, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.